naman po sa reception ni Nangel and Kim. Sa mga po ng sponsors, later on, magkakaroon po tayo ng second march papasok sa ating presidential table. Later on po, isa. At sa lahat po ng visitors, piling po kayo. Nakita po yung ating gabay.
Mahulog ako, hindi siya. Malaka mo lang namin.
Okay na po yung visitors, tuloy-tuloy sa ating mobile table. Dito po yung ating table. Okay, sa lahat po ng sponsors, hindi lang po kayo malapit sa ating presentation table. Later on, kakaroon po tayo ng second march sa ating
Agay ko ikaw lang nakuha. Tinang hindi naman ako masigit. Oo nga, wala ka din eh.
Okay, kung tapos na tayo ng ating subuan, inaya ko na po dito sa pagkakapat sa ating presentation table ang ating video para sa ating pagpasok.
Ang guwapo. Kumain ka muna.
1, 6, 7.
Ha? Saan ka?
Okay, nalaman na po dito sa pintura ng ating presentation table ang ating reward para po ng ating reward. Magpapano po sila sa kanilang mga ninong at ninong. Students United as in Ramadan is a 20th day of October, New Award 2012. Special day to the group of songs who exchanged the vows at our Lady of Miraculous Medal Parish Church. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to each and every one who's here to show your presence and be with yourselves. Be happy, yes. And the very beautiful moment in the life of our Bolivar. As a natural ceremonies of best occasion, I would like to start the roll calling. First, I would like to call the group parents of our Bolivar. The group parents of our bureau, ladies and gentlemen, we call Mr. Marciano Endozo and Mrs. Florentina Endozo. Mrs. Florentina Endozo is started by Mr. Vic Endozo, one of her son. Again, the parents of our group, please come forward. And also I would like to call the group parents of our bride. The group parents of our bride, ladies and gentlemen, let us give way to Mr. Leonardo Calacao and Mrs. Wilma Calacao. Now let's proceed to the principal Morale Entourage. The principal and sponsors. This time the principal himself to her call. Ladies and gentlemen, we will call Mr. Erwin Badal and Mrs. Rachel Badal. Followed by Mr. Jolly Garcia and Mrs. Loida Garcia. Let us also give way to Mr. Robert Higit and Mrs. Melanie Higit. Next we have Mr. Walter Mercado and Mrs. S.P. Mercado. Let us also give way to Mrs. Shano Alvarez and Mrs. Florida Alvarez.
Wala ka na nakuha ng picture.
And last but not least, with our principal sponsors, ladies and gentlemen, we will call Mr. Kaloy Sandoval. Prepare them and the ready. Your president of the mail dollar, ladies and gentlemen, we will call Mr. Mario Serrano and Ms. Laika Valmundo. Let us give praise to Mr. John Alfred Enriquez and Ms. Hania Valmundo. Now let's proceed to the secondary sponsors. Who passed away the group of life as the light their ladies and gentlemen, we will call Mr. Gerald Endozo and Ms. Karen together. We will show your policies and as they go up as well. Mr. J.R. Logado and Ms. Michelle Calacao. Let us also give way to Mr. Ronald Logado and Ms. Mean Endozo. Who not the progressive card and we want to live, joy and sorrow. Let us also give way to Mr. Jeffrey Endozo and Ms. Joy Javier. Mr. John Christian Endozo. Preparing the symbol of pressure, Mr. Adrian Holgado. Who showered her eyes with the flowers. Ladies and gentlemen, may we call Miss Nicole Endozo the Beverly Natalius, Miss Hazel Ann Endorso. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause to our new round. Number one, Mr. Arnold Endorso and Mrs. Kimberly Calacang Endorso. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the new round.
Okay, manatili po tayo nakatayo para po sa isang maikling panalangin. Mahal na Panginoon, sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Diyos Espiritu Santo. Amen. Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa isang magandang araw na pinagkaloob niyo sa amin. Lalo higit sa dalawang puso na ngayon po ito isang dibdib. Nawa po, Panginoon, bigyan niyo po sila ng lakas ng loob, talino ng pag-iisip na sa ganun mga sa nila mga bagong pagsubok na kanilang tatalakin para sa kanilang panibagong buhay. Nawa po, Panginoon, na yung nasa sinapupunan po ni Kimberly ay maging maayos sa kanyang kalagayan. Maraming salamat po, Panginoon, sa mga pagkain na nakahain sa aming hapagkainan. Anak po ito, Panginoon, Maraming Jesus, kasama